and I have my friend with me today. And I have another friend where she's getting stuff. And today we be making slime. DIY slime. Okay? So, I found we need glue. Elmer's glue is best, but I have this glue today. But Elmer's glue is better. And hi. This is my friend, May. You can call her that. And yeah. So first, we need something to mix with. So 1 second. A spoon. You have a spoon? Okay. So first we're gonna open one bowl. And then we're gonna have to do some help with y'all. Put this in. Oh, we squeezed the cap out. What are you?
Yeah.
Let me look at mine. Okay, you're just gonna squeeze that out. Okay, then
Y'all not helping me?
we're
You gotta get a
gonna
spoon.
get this, and we're gonna squeeze this. First, this time, don't forget to take off the lid. But just squeeze it out because
It's fun.
yeah. So like this. How?
Squeeze it.
How do you take your
Yeah. Let me see.
This smells good for some reason.
Why?
Smell the glue. It smells good.
You still got some more glue in there.
Man, it smells
Okay,
good.
and then we're going.
Are you gonna show them in your bowl?
We're gonna fill this. It's just glue. We're gonna fill this in with some water. Just
All this water.
halfway up.
Who said you got some Frito? Why'd you call?
Okay, and then we're gonna put some in. Only a
I'm
little
gonna
bit.
come and speak to us because nobody on my life.
Okay, and then we're gonna use some Tide, and we're gonna open it
You put the water in already, right?
and put a little,
Why are y'all just leaving me?
and put a little bit in.
What's the mix?
And then we're going to start to mix. Guys, hold on. I see. And we're just going to keep mixing. Keep mixing. You put too much time.
I don't care.
Yeah, there's enough water.
Halfway full.
That is
too
halfway.
much.
That is halfway.
Look at the side.
This slime is like getting already slimy. Look at this.
It's going to be clean slime.
Yeah, that's good enough.
Forget the floor. I can just wipe it off when I'm done.
Lene,
I know.
y'all go get some paper towels.
And we're just going to keep mixing.
Y'all go get some paper towels. Lene,
Okay,
you
I'm
go
going to get it.
Keep mixing. And this is how it looks. You're going to keep mixing. Keep mixing. Okay, mine is like this.
Watch out.
I'm gonna keep mixing, mixing,
Get him off of those.
and mixing.
I wasn't trying.
I know.
And we'll cut. This is
Do we put it
kind
tight in now?
of messy. Yeah. Only a little bit, because this is
Like that?
way too.
I don't care.
Yeah. You pour it when you pour some more.
You didn't give me a spoon?
Go get you a spoon.
You only care about me. Dang.
And then you can like play with it.
Why would you get the green spoon? Daddy doesn't like us using the green spoons for stuff. The green ones are his favorite.
And if you put too much Tide or water, you can take out your
Is that
spoon.
boo-boo?
What is that? It's mud. This is actually kind of fun. Yeah, it smells like something.
Keep mixing.
It's still so sketchy.
You can play with it a little
But don't get on your coat. Yeah.
bit.
Did your dad leave?
I don't care anymore.
It's supposed to be like this.
No, you're supposed to keep mixing.
I know that's what I'm doing.
Mine is not coming out like yours.
Keep mixing.
Let me put some
You might
vinegar
want-
in.
If
I
you-
didn't put a lot
if-
of stuff like
Yeah, you did. You put a lot of Tide. Alright, if it's too much things, you're gonna take some out. You're gonna play on it, play with it.
Yeah, it's supposed to look like this.
Can someone rinse out my bow so I can?
Mine is too sticky.
If it's too sticky, you need more.
Mine
need
is
more
too
time.
sticky. Put a little bit this time. Good.
So if it's like this, that means it's... Okay, this is totally
I did it. I got it.
Okay. Keep holding so I can watch my hands.
Alright, so she'll be right back. Oh yeah, mine's too sticky.
Mine is. I don't even look too sticky.
We didn't use that to bottle of time.
Mine is too sticky.
No time. And a slime.
Oh my gosh. Don't have to do it. Keep doing it until it's not sticky.
Yeah. You
Mine
have to
is.
play with it a little bit.
Oh, but my hand, I think my Fritos. I shouldn't have got the Fritos still.
Mine's is turning out good.
Oh, look at my bowl. So nice and clean. Nia, let go of my tie.
Can you rinse my bow out? Bruh. Please?
Can you start it then?
Yeah. Yeah, bro.
30 minutes. I came back. Erwin's posture was furious. He was walking very slowly.
Nia, go to the button on the floor. It's about to go on the floor.
What?
Your slime.
He looked
Oh.
probably like he was 20 years older than he was.
You just gotta play with it a little bit.
Went to the laundry room. To this day,
See how it gets like the slimy material?
if I had stayed on the front porch, I
Mhm.
might have heard something.
Oh, this looks way too sticky.
If it's sticky, put more time.
Jesse were in the front yard
Thank you.
working.
I'm trying to get this off. Like, it's like super hard to get off.
Yes.
Some she said just stopped dead.
More time.
For me?
Yeah, put some time on the skin.
He about to shoot her.
And then everybody's life changed. I mean, everything in an instant.
He shot her.
I like my stick. Hers is like sticky to the...
More time then.
For yours?
No, for yours. Look at this.
Ugh, she's
Pull it
so
off.
sticky.
More time.
Life insurance protection.
More.
More time?
Oh, my hands. Sis.
Look at my hands.
No extra cost.
Looks like snot.
Can you blow your nose?
Your child at Head Start.
So much nice glue now.
Yes,
Call now for free information.
nails is like not like nails. Hey, you can even do this. Look, you can do this.
You guys put too much time.
Too bad.
We're not having one.
I know.
Okay, let me just start this
Alright.
up.
Alright, keep stirring while I wash my hands.
Pause
Yeah.
it, pause it.
She didn't pause it when you went to wash your
Yeah,
hands.
you don't have to. Guys, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go
I wanna
wash my hands.
too. But first
And
of all,
these two will stall.
Hers will come. Okay, wait. Hers will.
His rage reached such a level that he just couldn't take it anymore.
Mia, can you come wash my bowl out?
Nia, keep that water on, please.
Janice started screaming at the top of her lungs and running toward me.
I can't. Too sticky.
I was startled. I'm holding this one.
I just have to keep stirring mine. Because I don't keep doing this.
So slime is really hard. Well, it's not really, but it's like it's okay.
There you go. He's back in. Stop to fix. Yay! Let's be invisible. Oh, nice is good. Wow. Let's turn that light. I asked her to help before I started, but she didn't want to listen. So yeah. Well, because you was going live, you was doing. And then nobody came on, so I quit. And I said, "Can y'all wait for me?" And y'all just went on. You guys spent way too much time.
He was still alive and trying to comfort her.
At least I cleaned my bowl before I
He's still showing that love for his wife.
See, mine's is finished. Shut up. Shut up. Mine's is done. Mine's is done. Now I'm just gonna help Lily out.
Yours is done, Nia?
Yeah, see, Philly. You said, did you just say Leah?
I said Nia.
Right.
What do you think I said?
You said Leah.
What were the markers for?
Which to make it color.
Can you use
the color?
So can you make it color or no?
To make it color. It's ink.
Oh, Philly, can somebody hold my stuff real quick so I can
What?
my book? Let me just put that in real quick.
No! No! You just made.
She's back.
Lily's is done. I'll be back.
As I opened up the door, Michael said, "There's been a shooting up the street."
Okay, it's done. We just need to. Okay. Go get some paper towels, dear. It's live. Me and Lily's are done.
I know, I got
No, give me this bow. Give me this bow. Stop! No, they're not. No.
Stop it!
No, you gonna pick up my bow. You gonna pick up my bow. Oh, hit me. No, you gonna pick up my bow.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Because Leah just cleaned that bow out for me. Guys, we're going on to set. I'm killing my bow.
Returns from work, unaware.
Guys, we're going out.
Come back home,
You can clean.
all around the house, and all.
You can clean. I will finish your song. Can you at least just clean my bowl?
And they said, "Well, you need to come downtown now."
You haven't even cleaned your bowl.
I cleaned it once and then Nia cleaned it for me. You haven't cleaned everybody's bowl except for yours. That's just be like selfish.
Neighbors knew they were financially strapped, but no one was aware just how bad things really were until police.
Somebody hold this slime real quick. Oh, what's not?
It was
Take a hold on. Can you hold this real fast? I gotta use some instructions.
toilets from the floor. They had inserted empty bags into the toilets to catch the feces, the roach in it. They had tubs full of yellow liquid. I see it was human urine. And the child's room, he had no linens, he had no sheets, he had no blankets.
Yours is not slimy. Yeah, it's good. It's not like me and yours.
Somebody could have done.
Because you put too much time.
No, the dirt time, she put a lot of time in.
First of all, I didn't put that much. The second time you put on it. I showed the camera on my phone. Yeah, yours is like more. Let me show one. Yeah. Here's my slime. You gotta play with it. What's your blow? Here's mine. What's your blow? Who, me? No. Nene, what's your blow? You just have to keep playing with it. Nia's, yours is like drying up. No, it's not. Leave it. Leave it. Here's Nia's. They call me Little T, not Nia. Yeah, here's yours is done. You want to feel it? Here's go Little T's. Did you just take... Yeah. Guys, next step. There's your song. Is the mountains.
It's a life sentence. Probably not even years old.
Yeah.
When did you get here?
A long time ago. You guys see our slime? Slime.
Oh. Why you didn't call me? I didn't even know you was coming up.
I texted you texted on Snapchat yesterday. Today. I got my slime.
How you been, Nina?
Good. Now, here's the next one. Yeah. Come on, Nina. Come on, little T. We gotta go down here. Oh, yeah. Lene, can you go wash up my bowl?
Why you didn't put some? Why you just didn't do that on the table?
Cause that's funny.
Can't imagine just picking
On the table.
Okay.
Y'all need to use the mop that up.
Right, next we're going to do put some dots. And after you put a little bit some dots, we're going. Don't do it in the bowl. Just put it on the table. And we're gonna. You might need some more dots. I'll call Ray. Excuse me. You just keep dotting it, and then you play with it.
This is hard.
It's just that your hands is wet. Keep playing with it.
Yeah, practice.
No, you need way more dots than that. You just keep dotting it up.
Somebody open this for me, please. I can't open it.
Give it. Give me it.
Thank you.
You keep dotting it up. And you can mix colors if you want.
That's what I did. I'm
I'm
using
mixing blue. And then I'm going to put a little bit blue and pink makes purple, so I'm using blue and pink.
blue and pink does not make purple.
Yeah, it does.
Red and blue.
That makes purple.
She probably just making light purple.
You just gotta keep playing with it. Yours is not done yet, trust me.
Who name is
Yours.
You know?
Yes.
Okay, I'm
See,
making
mine's
mine.
just like galaxy.
Mine's gonna make
Do
mine.
you guys have glitter?
No.
So I have to ask my dad for glitter.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh my gosh.
Doesn't look like purple to me.
It's transforming a little bit to purple.
Look at mine. It looks don't look like me. It don't even fit. It's not even. It's not even the same color as yours.
It's transforming a little bit.
Don't jab it. You're gonna break the marker.
I don't care.
This
Well, I do
this
care.
bottle is for the next slime we make. Okay.
We're making another one?
Yeah. Next time when my dad buys more glue.
Today?
No. Like probably like next weekend. You know?
It's a good thing you put on salad right now. Huh?
No, you just use all different colors.
Yep, I sure am.
Can you hand me that? Cause to Nia using that. To Nia using blue and purple and blue. Huh?
You just using all the colors that Tania and I are using. Here.
Yeah, you don't want to.
Just don't close it.
How come you have it in the music? With slime?
Yeah. Or just.
I have. Remember the long time when I was with my friend? I said, "This is the slime I made."
No, I don't see that.
So you have to go deep in. Just
Mine is so.
it's like
look, see?
it's
Mine
like,
don't even look like it's just transparent.
that's why you have to dig right.
Hold on, we're gonna see some cheese.
Okay, so
we're back. And unfortunately, it's like Tania and I, little Tia and I, we made the same color, but just with different colors.
Mine is light purple.
This is the same color. It's just the same color.
Oh, this is blue. Turquoise. I'm just gonna put a little bit more so you can won't be looking like it's blue. I mean, yeah,
It might look blue, but it's actually purple.
go.
Oh no,
Leave her alone.
she's sad like that.
Leave it alone.
It's okay, sugar.
Pick out the blue,
I'm
but
about to.
I'm about to just use a little bit of this.
I'm gonna make it dark
I'm gonna
purple.
use this color.
Nobody.
I'm trying to make it dark.
I'm just playing with that. Why you gotta take everything?
I didn't take it seriously.
I'm about to use a little bit of green. So yeah, you should use a different color than these.
I haven't used orange, so I'm gonna
I'm
try
trying
and use
to
orange.
make this dark purple.
I'm just gonna use a little bit.
I don't.
Bro, like okay, hold on. So we need something a little bit.
Has anybody even used orange yet? Like,
No.
Now I'm about to use
I'm the
neon.
only person.
I got
Tania, I still got stuff together. It's your fault.
No, it's not.
But we still got our stuff together.
And next time when we make slime, we can't use the same color. So if I was you, you wouldn't use our colors.
Yeah.
It just looks like a big old rainbow.
Unless you can use the same colors, but it has to make a different color. Like a different color when it turns out. Let me see what the yellow does to it.
The green didn't do anything to this.
Now I'm about to just use this color and this color.
Okay,
see
I
what
have
happens
to smooth
when I do that.
mine out so I could put the green in there so I could.
Is this your guys' first time making
Yes.
slime?
Yeah. Is it yours?
Cause she's been doing this in
I did it with my friends,
Remember we took the
I
video
hate
with this one.
but I didn't make a video of it. One time I made a music video of it. Now I'm gonna do like a remark, like all of this. I'm gonna use all the colors I used,
I'm gonna use
except
all
for
the-
neon because I don't want neon to change it.
Neon.
Effect. Neon.
What's neon?
I said neon.
Neon.
Yeah. It's
You don't like
this is
neon?
Well, I want my thing to be a different color, so I'm just gonna.
I'm just gonna use this like this. This is like a pretty
I'm
design.
trying to see what this does next when I do red. And
I'm almost finished.
so it's like-
Alright, here you go. Thanks, Neon.
Little T. Okay, somebody used the who used the blue last?
Nope.
Somebody is dropping.
Nay.
No, I did not. I
Yo, you were the only last one the blue.
She used it.
Tania, hang your jacket up.
Okay. Where is it?
I didn't use it. Tania used it, Lil.
Yeah, but we didn't use that much blue.
I didn't use
Okay,
that first color.
okay.
I told y'all to mop that up. When you gonna mop it up? You're gonna mop it up right now. Do it.
Where's the thing?
It's
The
outside the
mop
back.
is where it always is. Get it.
The green at the
be right back.
the turning.
Oh, look at it now.
We're back. And we're ready. My name's not Tina. And we're ready. That was a real glitch, but I need to know them. So here is a slime. And now we're gonna post another video of us playing with it. We just wanted you to show how we made our slime. Okay?
Even though it came out first.
Bye.